The destination page is designed for you to connect your data warehouse and push there the previously extracted data. In order to add a destination, you can click on Add a new destination at the top right corner. There are guidelines available for all destinations setup. When the destination is successfully connected, you will see a green active status. Click on the destination and it will lead you to the Overview, Settings, and Automation tabs. The Overview tab contains details on load orders. Here you can find load order list, data table, destination, status, orders last update, and actions. Refresh, pause, and delete. The Settings tab contains the Authorization section. You can use it if reauthorization is needed. The Automation tab contains the Automated Load section, which, if selected, is used to load automatically all new data tables into your current destination. By default, this checkbox is deselected. Click on the Setup Load button in the upper right corner or on the Main Page of Destinations tab to choose what extraction orders to load to your warehouse. On the data loading page, you need to select data tables that you'd like to load. When all necessary tables are selected, click the Continue button. Here you need to define several scheduling settings. Once all the necessary settings are configured, click Create button. You will be redirected to the Load Orders page and you will see Created Load Orders.